you really probably should not be on TRT unless you, like, you need to go and do everything that you can naturally first. Try to raise your testosterone naturally. Don't just jump to TRT as an easy solution. Okay, I think that goes without saying, but I'm against crutches. Okay, that's what I'm against. That's why I don't like pornography and masturbation. That's why I don't like, alcohol in general for liquid courage. Medication in general, okay, like ADHD medication and stuff like that, is because I don't like crutches. All right, we don't want to use crutches as much as possible in life. Okay, instead, you need to grow and get the strength on your own, right? And so I've been working out, lifting, dieting, like, extreme shit for the past really 20 years. And so, yeah, like for me, not a crutch at all. Like I've already built the physique. So, again, you might see that as a justification, but what I'm trying to do is not to justify. I don't really give a fuck if, like, what you think about me. I just want to make sure that you don't use me as an excuse for you. Does that make sense, guys? Because I really don't want to. That's why I haven't said anything about TRT yet. I was waiting for the right time. But I think I've got my thoughts and enough evidence, enough data, right? Like I wanted to see, was I going to get like a super freaky physique, which I didn't. Okay, I have a good physique, but it's the same as I had pretty much. Maybe it's slightly better.